I wanted to show you, this happened this morning, guys. This is US 30 and it happened this morning, and today's date is Wednesday, August 27th, and it happened this morning on our live session. And this is a perfect example of both the beginner entry and the advanced entry. So pay attention closely, guys. Look, for beginners, it's a simple rule. You see a scorecard right here. Doesn't matter the number. If it's blue, you go in for a buy. And the entry is right where that dotted line is. Candle does not have to close for the scorecard to appear. The scorecard will appear right in the middle of that blue box that you see at the back. Automatically will appear right there. If you're a beginner, you get in immediately you see the scorecard. Not before, not after. When you see the scorecard, you enter the trade. You take the trade, you take the buy. Once you're in the trade, you set your stop loss here. In this case, it's 45,345 is the amount, but you have to adjust your broker to that amount. This is the Sniper Pro broker, which runs on Oanda. Whatever your broker is, could be 10, 20, 30, 50 pips different. You have to make the adjustment for that. But you set your stop loss here, and you set your take profit 1, where Sniper Pro tells you, right here. That's all it is, guys, for the beginner. You see the scorecard, you take the trade. In this case, it's a buy. You get in for a buy and you get in there, you set your stop loss here where Sniper Pro tells you, and your TP1, and you just wait for it to go to either the TP1 or the stop loss. It doesn't matter. You're on a demo anyway as a beginner. You're not going to lose any money. But what I want you to do is just watch what happens as it goes, either up to TP1 or down to the stop loss. Okay, so let's fast forward that and just see what happens. There we go. We immediately hit TP1. It happens that fast, guys. And that is all you have to do. You would take profit. It's a 1-to-1 risk reward, guys. And you would get from here to here, TP1, you would get 52 pips. The old saying in trading is 50 pips a day keeps the job away. You would have done that in 1 minute with Sniper Pro, guys. It is as simple as that. Next video, I'm going to show you how we apply the advanced trading techniques to that.